Hello everyone and welcome back. Grabe. Ibang klase yung aking feel ngayon kasi Monday today and kaka-birthday ko lang last 2 weeks ago. Tama no? And I'm ready to react doon sa mga videos ng Bini. Saan nga ba ako magsisimula? Magsisimula ako doon sa kung saan ko sila unang nakilala. So sorry sorry sa mga but for those na by the way, I'm JM. Nakilala ko ang Bini kasi because of the coconut nut era. Kasi that time around, noong time na tayo ay nag-theater workshop noong 2001, 23 years ago na yun, tagal na, no? Sobrang lakas nung throwback ko nun. Kaya unahin na muna natin yung the coconut nut. So, somewhere in this video, papanoorin natin yung video. And remember, ABS-CBN to so tatakpan natin ng bahagya yung video. Okay? So let's watch the video in 3, 2, 1. Teka. Ang bata-bata pa nila dito. Ang bata-bata nila dito. Si Gwen, no? Ang cute. Sheena! Si Maloy. Oh, diba? Ang cute! Si Joanna. Ayan, by the way, bias to si Joanna. Sorry. Grabe. Neneng sa kanila. At saka talagang vibes na summer vibes. Ang the coconut nut. Si Taco.
Coconut tree, it can build a big house for the family. All you need is to find a coconut.
Joanna.
The tree, it gets the fruit free.
So many uses of the coconut tree. You could build a big house for the family. All you need is to find a coconut man. If he cuts the tree, he gets the fruit free. It's the coconut tree.
It's the coconut fruit of the coconut tree.
Watch out!
I love the coconut. Come on. Oh my gosh. You wanna know? I love the coconut. Baby boy.
Si Bueno. Oh, si Stacy.
You wanna know? I love the coconut.
Si Gwen. Si Mika. Summer vibes talaga. Grabe, ang bini nung batang-bata pa sila. By the way, this song, no, naalala ko to Spotify. First, nakilala ko to sa Spotify, then, nung nakita ko yung music video nito, talagang nagpaalala sa akin ang, ano bang tawag doon? Nagpaalala sa akin ang Antipolo Theater Workshop era, 2001, 23 years ago. Tagal-tagal na. Diba? Kaya, guys, sorry medyo maiksi lang, pero malaman ang ating I love the music, I love the vibes, and talagang Gen Z vibes talaga. Kaya, guys, abangan ninyo yung susunod ko pang mga videos, and comment down below kung gusto ninyo mapanood pa yung aking mga reaction to the music videos. This is JM saying you part of the conversation, and see you on our next episode.